Hi, and welcome to Harding Studios. If you are new here, make sure to hit the like button now, and comment down below with the name of the storage you are using for your camera. With that out of the way, today we will look at the storage to use on Blackmagic Pocket Cinema cameras. The Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera uses standard secure digital cards, ultra-high-speed secure digital cards, CFast 2.0 cards, or a USB Type-C flash disks, solid-state drive, to record the video. Now we will be looking at how to insert CFast card in secure digital card. To access the media slots, slide the door on the right side toward yourself with the camera lens facing away from you. The spring-loaded door opens so you can access the CFast and secure digital memory card slots. Now let's insert the CFast card and secure digital card into their dedicated slots until you feel it lock into place. The card should insert easily without the need for excessive force. CFast cards and secure digital card have different recording speeds. If you are shooting 6K, 4K, or Ultra HD, we recommend using the fastest high-speed Ultra High equals Speed 2 type secure digital cards. Please note, if you are using a secure digital card that is not capable of recording the video format you have selected, the camera will stop recording after dropping a frame. If you've inserted a locked secure digital card, the camera will display the word locked instead of the card's duration on the LCD touchscreen, and will display a padlock icon in the storage menu next to the card name. If the card is locked, you will not be able to record video, capture stills, or export LUTs and presets until it is unlocked. To remove a CFast card or secure digital card, gently push the card in, and then release to eject it. Now we will connect the solid-state drive to the camera, open the rubber protector on the left side of the camera, and connect the other end of the cable to the USB Type-C port. Connect one end of USB Type-C cable to your USB Type-C flash disk. Please note, the USB Type-C drive occupies the same place as the secure digital card in your camera's operating system. To use the secure digital card slot instead of the USB Type-C flash disk, disconnect the USB Type-C flash disk from your camera. Before using the card or drive for shooting, you need to format the drive to accommodate the computer you are using. Mac users can choose Hierarchical File System or OS X Extended, and is the recommended format as it supports journaling. Data on journaled media is more likely to be recovered in the rare event that your storage media becomes corrupted. Extensible file allocation table is supported natively by Mac and Windows without needing any additional software, but does not support journaling. Now let's prepare the storage by formatting using Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera. Tap either storage indicator at the bottom of the LCD touchscreen to enter the storage manager. Now tap Format Driver your desired card. On this video we will use Extensible File Allocation Table. Tap Edit Real Number if you would like to manually change the real number. Use the keypad to enter a new real number and press Update to confirm your selection. Now tap Format. A confirmation screen will allow you to confirm the card to be formatted. Tap Format. Now hold down Format for 3 seconds, or to quit press Cancel. Tap OK to return to the storage manager. Now tap Exit to leave the storage manager. Our storage is ready for use. This can also be done on a computer. I do not own a Mac, so you will only experience the extensible file allocation table formatting method. Connect your camera's storage media to your computer using an external reader, USB-C cable or adapter. In your file browser, right-click on your camera's storage media. From the contextual menu, choose Format. Set the file system to exFAT and the allocation unit size to 128 kilobytes. Type a volume label, select Quick Format and click Start. Your storage media will quickly be formatted and made ready for use. Important information of the day. If your recordings are dropping frames, reduce the frame rate or output quality. In the next video we will be looking at recording settings. Thank you for watching and make sure to watch the next video. Have a nice day and subscribe.